What are you doing, boy? Is you gonna go somewhere?
Oh, get it right here, Mom. It's such a good picture.
Everybody on it?
Yeah. Hey, big boy, where you going? Where you going, big boy? Oh, look at you pick up your head. Oh, yeah. Go, Logan. Go, Logan.
Go, Logan.
Tell Daddy, move my head.
I'm going to stuck on the pillow and I'm like it.
I'm hungry. Hi! Oh, there you are! There you are! What are you doing, big boy? Logan! Oh! Tell us a story. Logan! Where are you going? Oh, look at you pick up your head.
And he picked up his legs and his head at the same time. See? So he's doing.
You were doing my hands.
Oh, look at you.
He's doing a belly stand.
Look at you.
He actually got up on his knees and his hands.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. He did.
Oh. Goodness.
He's all, oh, I tried so hard.
Oh, look at him. He's trying to flip himself over. You're not supposed to be doing that already. You're not supposed to be flipping. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
I'm steady there.
Babe, he's got his nose buried. Pick your head up. You're so stubborn. Yeah. Oh.
I'm just going to keep it. Look, he's doing a little... It's like his body surfing.
Oh.
So let him teed off here. Help me.